Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittany, and I wanted to talk to you guys about how I lost 65 pounds. So as I'm sitting outside enjoying this beautiful evening, it is let's see, it is 6 o'clock and I am just chilling outside with Indy, and I wanted to talk to you guys about my tips and tricks and how I lost 65 pounds. And I wanted to give you guys like 10-ish, I think I wrote down, just right off of my mind. I sat down with my notepad and I wrote everything out, how I lost weight, because I've been in kind of a rut lately myself, and I wanted to like readjust how I'm thinking and everything so I can lose more weight too, because I want to lose like another 60 pounds. So here is my tips for you. It is like golden hour out, you guys. Okay, so tip number 1 is going to be drinking tons of water. I literally drink so much water every single day, and I remember when I first started that drinking water, to me, I hated water, you know, but now I crave water. And the key to drinking water a lot, I feel like, get cute water bottles, get straw water bottles, get bottles that you actually will drink more out of. I notice when I have a straw bottle, I tend to drink a lot more water. Even like my blender bottle, it's kind of like, I'd rather not drink water out of this, because I don't know, straws I feel like are really helpful. Number 2, don't overthink everything. Don't put a time on your weight loss, and just go with the flow. The biggest tip I have for you is literally just stop thinking about the future and focus on right now, because you know, in a month from now you could be down 10 pounds, or you could be worrying that you won't lose weight and just continue eating bad and not making the greatest decisions. So I tend to do this a lot. Overthinking is just, everybody does it, we're all human. So yeah, just don't overthink things and just push yourself. Number 3, plan ahead. And what I mean by plan ahead is just focus on the week that you're in. Don't focus about, okay, next year I want to be down 100 pounds exactly, because setting yourself up with big goals, for me personally, I don't see success. I see more success when I Indy, don't eat that, come here. More success when I plan small, like, okay, I want to lose 5 pounds this month, or okay, I want to lose 10 pounds this month, because small success, like small things, add up to big things. Just remember that weight loss does not happen overnight, and that you have to actually want it bad enough to just to give yourself that time, because what we all want to lose it now. We all want that quick fad diet. Let's do this for a week and you'll drop 10 pounds. Like, it's not maintainable and it's not real life. And I've maintained losing the 65 pounds now for a few months. I've been kind of going like this lately, and this month hi, say hi. This is Indy. Hi, what were you doing over there? I love her, she's a sweetie. Just plan for small things, and it will all fall into place. Don't overthink it. Number 4, meal plan. When I meal plan, so what I do is I plan out what I'm gonna have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and snacks, and just write it all down. So what I do is I bought on my fridge, I bought like it's a magnetic thing you can stick on your fridge, and it came with a marker, and every week I would write down, and I'm going to start this week again because I lost so much weight by doing this. I would write down what we're having for dinner on the thing every single day. So Sunday through Saturday, I would write everything that we're having, and then I would make that, and I would stick to it. I'd go grocery shopping and I'd buy everything I needed for those recipes, and that's what's in my meal guide. That's what I did. And then for work, I would just meal prep, so like chili or really anything that you like, taco salads, stuff like that. And then for breakfast, I would eat like eggs or just anything that sounded good, or have my protein coffee. Yeah, so just meal plan. Just don't overthink it, and make sure that you grocery shop. Now going into number 5, eat what you like. Do not eat chicken, broccoli, and rice every single day and hate your life, because that's what I did for a while. I did lose some weight, but I gained it all back. Before I broke my ankle, I had lost like 20 pounds. and I was following this guy's meal plan, his guide. He was like my coach, and I lost like 20 pounds through him, but it was like a bodybuilding diet. So I would eat jasmine rice, chicken, this and that, couldn't drink pop, this and that, and it worked really good, but I was never happy. I was always like focusing on the scale, and I noticed that it's not what I wanted. So I joined Weight Watchers, and I eat food that I love. If you follow me on Instagram, you definitely see what I eat, like BLTs and like chicken, French onion chicken, and like enchiladas. Like, you know, what diet do you know that you just get to eat enchiladas? Like, so yeah, Weight Watchers was the main gate for me to really help me lose my weight. But you can lose weight by virtually by yourself. You don't have to follow a meal plan. So number 6, don't look to others for success. What I mean by that is don't get other people's progress and think that could be me. Make it you. Just don't doubt yourself, and give yourself the time and the patience, and you will be that person that you want to be. Working out. So you don't have to work out to lose weight. For me personally, I love to work out, so I work out a few times a week or more. Whenever I have the chance to work out, I like to work out. By that I mean you could work out at home, you could get a bike, go biking, you could go for walks, you could, if you have a dog, bring your dog for a walk, go for walks. I love to walk or run. I have a gym membership. You do not have to have a gym membership to work out. You can literally work out at home. So yeah, I would look up, in the beginning I would look up stuff like workouts at home, and now I started to lift and I love it. So yeah, just find what you love to do for working out. You don't have to work out to lose weight, but it enhances your weight loss. Number 8, staying positive. Having a positive mindset while losing weight. I find myself being able to lose more weight. When I think negatively, like, oh my gosh, I haven't lost any weight this week, or focusing so much on the scale, I don't lose that much weight. I notice when I'm carefree, I don't care as much, I'm just doing this for my health, that's when I see the most success out of my weight loss. So just staying positive, having a good outlook on it, and just focus on you, and all good things will come to you. Number 9, doing what works for you. So what works for me right now is doing Weight Watchers, or WW. I did count calories for a while, and I feel like counting calories is a really good outlet for losing weight. If you want to do it for free, for me, I don't mind paying the $20 a month. So for me, Weight Watchers was literally, I love Weight Watchers. I will sit and tell you how much I love it all day long. Just find what you love. If you love to count calories, if you don't want to count calories and you want to intuitively eat, do that. Just find something that you find success in. Number 10, tracking. When I started losing weight, I did not track. I would just eat what I thought was a portion, and my weight loss, I was losing weight, but I wasn't losing it as fast. I was losing like a pound or 2 a month. It just was so frustrating. And so I started tracking on my Fitness Pal, I believe it's called, and I would eat 1,500 calories a day, which was not enough. I don't feel like, I don't know actually, I have no idea, but I was just very stressed out all the time. I felt like I wasn't eating enough. I felt like I was always worrying about like the calories in, calories out. I was just freaking myself out. So I started tracking with WW, as I just mentioned, seen success. Literally, I don't know what happened, but like the weight just keeps falling off. The more I track, the more weight you lose, the more points go down. So it just goes with you. And yeah, Weight Watchers is just, it really did help me lose a lot of my weight. I've lost almost 45 pounds since January with Weight Watchers, and I plan to lose more. Okay, you guys, that is all I have for you. I will probably make another video like this. Those were just the ones off the top of my head of how I lost my weight, and I wanted to share that with you guys because a lot of you have questions and wonder, like, how can I do that? How can I be successful? So I just wanted to share that with you. And if you guys found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd love to have you guys stick around. Until next time, I will see you guys next time.